You can make great compost indoors using red wiggler earthworms. To get started, get a plastic storage tub and put some holes in the lid. Shred some newspaper or cardboard for bedding, dampen it with water, and add a handful of soil. Next, you'll need some red wiggler worms. These aren't the same species as the earthworms in prairie gardens, so you'll have to get them from a local vermicompost supplier. Feed the worms plant-based kitchen scraps and eggshells. Avoid meat, greasy food, and milk products. Always bury the food underneath the bedding. Add more dry bedding as you need it. If they aren't fully covered, food scraps can sometimes attract fruit flies. You can make a fly trap with apple cider vinegar and dish soap. One way to harvest the compost is to only feed one side of the bin for a few weeks, then scoop out the other side to use. You can also spread the compost under a bright light and wait 30 minutes. The worms will move to the bottom and you can skim good compost off the top. Repeat this a few times, then return the worms to a fresh bin. The compost is great for plants. It's okay if there are still a few worms in it.